In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add custom search engine in Google Chrome Guide. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window so you can access the menu and settings easily. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From that drop-down, select Settings. On the left-hand side, look for the Search Engine section and click on it. This area contains the options related to how Chrome handles searches. After that, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Now find the Site Search section. Next to it, click Add. This will open a small form where you can enter the details for your custom search engine. You will need to fill in 3 fields here. In the Search Engine field, enter the name of the website you want to search, such as YouTube or Wikipedia. This name is mainly for your reference, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. In the Shortcut field, type a short keyword that will trigger that custom search. For example, you might use YT for YouTube or Wiki for Wikipedia. Keep it short and memorable since this is what you will type into the address bar when you want to use that search engine. In the URL field, paste the website's search address. The important part here is that you must replace the actual search term in the URL with %s. That tells Chrome where to insert whatever you type when performing the search. For example, a YouTube search URL would look like this: https://www.youtube.com/sajolts !search_query =$s. Before saving, quickly check that the URL is formatted correctly. If the %s part is missing or placed incorrectly, the custom search may not work as expected. Once everything looks good, save the new entry. After that, you can use your custom search directly from the Chrome address bar by typing the shortcut and then your search term. This is a simple way to search your favorite sites faster without visiting them first. That covers everything you need to know.